Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll tell you how to find who blocked you on Instagram. For this you just have to open your Instagram app, just tap on it and then go to the search section, and here you just have to search the nickname of the person. As I have searched for my friend, who has blocked me. So now you can see I can't find him on Instagram. Here's the second method. You just have to go to your direct messages and here open his chat and now open the profile. Here you can see that I can't see any of posts of the person, and here's the username is not available, so it's mean that the person has blocked me on Instagram. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.